Welcome to Compare to Win. The best press-on false nails is probably one of the most versatile and accessible ways to achieve a salon-quality manicure right at home, offering a dazzling array of styles, colors, and finishes that can transform your look in minutes without the commitment or cost of traditional acrylics or gels, making them a fantastic option for special occasions, everyday wear, or simply experimenting with different nail aesthetics. Number 5. Beetles Gel Nail Kit Almond. Achieve stunning almond-shaped nails with ease. This kit provides everything you need for a perfect gel nail extension. Get salon-quality results at home with our pre-shaped, clear almond tips. They are extra short for a natural yet elegant look. This easy nail extension set includes a 5-in-1 multifunctional nail glue. It acts as your base, glue, and more, simplifying the process. Achieve a durable and glossy finish with the included UV LED lamp. It ensures a perfect cure for your gel extensions every time. Surprise the nail art enthusiast in your life with this comprehensive set. It's the ideal gift for any occasion, offering endless creative possibilities. What we like? This all-in-one gel nail kit provides everything you need for a salon-quality manicure at home. It offers an easy and convenient way to achieve beautiful nail extensions. If you're looking for a comprehensive solution that includes tools and materials for gel extensions, this is a great choice. What people say. These nails are incredibly durable and have lasted me over 2 weeks without chipping or lifting. The application process is surprisingly easy, and they look just like a professional gel manicure. I love the variety of shapes and sizes included, making it easy to find a perfect fit for every nail. Number 4. Modelones 510 PCS Medium Clear Soft Fake Press-On Nails Tip. Discover the ultimate solution for flawless nails. Our premium tips offer a natural look and feel, perfect for any occasion. Get salon-quality results with this generous pack of 510 medium-length tips. Achieve stunning extensions effortlessly. Experience the comfort of our soft, clear tips. They provide a seamless base for your favorite gel or acrylic designs. Save time with our pre-etched surface, designed for optimal adhesion. Application is quick and easy, even for beginners. Achieve a beautiful, full-cover effect with a sophisticated matte finish. These extensions enhance your natural nail shape perfectly. Elevate your nail game with these versatile false tips. They are the ideal choice for creating beautiful, long-lasting nail extensions. What we like? These pre-etched soft gel tips offer a unique matte finish for a sophisticated look. The half-matte design provides a smooth surface for easy application and a comfortable feel. If you prefer a subtle, elegant finish and want a product that simplifies the application process, these tips are ideal for you. What people say. These nails are super easy to apply and look very natural. The adhesive is strong and lasts for a long time, even with daily wear. The variety of sizes included ensures a perfect fit for everyone. Number 3. NOVO French Tip Toe Nail Tips. Achieve a perfect French tip pedicure in minutes. These pre-designed soft gel extensions offer a salon-quality look from the comfort of your home. Adorn your toes with a delicate baby pink shade. The sharp square design adds a touch of modern elegance to any style. Forget the hassle of primers and base coats. These false toenails come pre-applied with everything you need for a long-lasting finish. Get a complete, seamless extension that enhances your natural nails. They provide a durable and beautiful full-cover acrylic look. With 240 pieces in 15 different sizes, you're sure to find the perfect fit for every toe. Enjoy endless DIY nail art possibilities. Transform your look with these easy-to-use press-on toenail extensions. They are perfect for a quick and stylish DIY manicure. What we like? Get a perfect French tip look effortlessly with these pre-designed soft gel toenail tips. They come with a pre-applied primer and base coat, saving you time and effort. If you're looking to quickly and easily achieve stylish French tips on your toes, especially for pedicures or special occasions, these are a fantastic option. What people say. These nails are super easy to apply and look like they were done at a salon. The adhesive is strong and lasts for a good amount of time, even with daily wear. Comes with multiple sizes to ensure a perfect fit for everyone. Number 2. SAVILAND Kids Press-On Nails. Unleash your child's creativity with our dazzling press-on nails. Perfect for little hands, they offer instant style for any occasion. These pre-glued nails are incredibly easy to apply, making nail art fun and mess-free. Just peel and stick for a fabulous look in seconds. Specially designed for children aged 8 to 12, these short, full-cover nails provide a comfortable and safe fit. They come in a variety of glittery designs. Looking for a special gift? These make wonderful presents for birthdays, holidays, or just because. Surprise the little ones with a touch of glamour. With 168 pieces in total, there are plenty of options to mix and match. Let their imagination run wild with these fun and festive nail tips. Our kid-friendly fake nails are made with child safety in mind. They provide a beautiful finish without any harsh chemicals. What we like? These press-on nails are designed specifically for children, featuring fun glitter accents and easy pre-glued application. They are perfect for kids who want to dress up their nails for parties or holidays. If you're looking for safe, easy-to-use, and festive nail options for girls aged 8 to 12, these are a wonderful choice for a fun DIY activity. What people say. These nails are super easy to apply and look very natural. The adhesive is strong and lasts for a long time, even with daily wear. The variety of sizes included ensures a perfect fit for everyone. Number 1. Krofaue 1008 PCS French Nail Tips. Achieve salon-quality French manicures with ease. These soft gel tips offer a natural look and feel, perfect for any occasion. Find your ideal fit with 12 available sizes. They are designed for a comfortable and secure application every time. Experience the innovative no-crease soft gel. This ensures a smooth, flawless finish without any unwanted lines or folds. Choose between clear and natural finishes to suit your style. Both options provide a beautiful, understated elegance. These tips are easy to trim and shape to your desired length. Personalize your look for a truly custom nail design. Whether you're a professional stylist or a DIY enthusiast, these nail tips are a fantastic choice. Elevate your nail game at home or in the salon. What we like? Experience a natural look and feel with these no-crease soft gel nail tips, available in both clear and natural finishes. They are designed for easy trimming and shaping, suitable for both professional salons and home DIY enthusiasts. If you desire high-quality, versatile soft gel tips that offer a seamless, natural appearance and allow for customization, these are an excellent selection. What people say. The nails are very sturdy and don't bend easily. The application process is straightforward and the adhesive holds well. They look very natural and are a great alternative to salon manicures. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.